Cutest puppy lore. If a puppy chews on your scarf, it's their way of saying they've picked you. She is living my dream life, a paradise full of puppies. When your dog wants to be a part of your first dance.
Wait there. Wait.
Don't give snacks to a dog, unless you want to have a forever friendship.
Sit, paw. Good girl.
What? You picked me, and I picked you. No take-backs. Trying to find my inner zen, but my furry friend has other plans. This street dog be like, hold on sir, did you forget something important? Like me? When leaving the park feels like the end of the world.
Huh? Oh my god, you're gonna go viral. Huh? Oh my god.
This random puppy just decided I'm his new grandpa.
And by 1 million years ago.
Slow eaters, don't hesitate. Get yourself a Papa Pomodoro now. He will be ensuring your break to snack ratio is on point. Mush, faster human. Tourists pay good money for this.
Look who it is. Look who it is.
When the local security guard's biggest fan is your dog. This is your sign to buy your golden retriever boyfriend a golden retriever. All these fancy toys, and he chooses my shoe every single time. This man and his dog wave at her dog every morning. How sweet are they, right? Have you ever heard about the Cuddles Forever contract, human?